going?
All right.
Go hand sanitizer to the table there.
All right, well, let me take a tour.
Not until I screen you. You staying here?
No.
Who you with?
Me.
Well, if you're not staying here, they won't let you in.
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel, America's Auditor. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on April 10th, 2020 in Fort Worth, Texas. The auditor was trying to do a First Amendment audit at the convention center in downtown Fort Worth. The convention center was being used as an overflow shelter for the local homeless. The auditor almost made it into the convention center, but then someone called the police, and that is when the mayhem started. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
How you doing? Yeah, of course I'm doing.
Cool. You staying?
No, I just want to find out if I could just get a tour.
No, everything past this point is secured area.
Secured area.
Yeah, I'll get one of the DRC people for you.
Okay. Pardon?
You cannot be in here. This is a secure site unless you're going to get screened medically. You can't be in here.
Okay, I can get screened and go in?
Are you staying for the night?
He told me to get screened. The guy that you got.
I need you to get 6 feet away from this
Okay.
woman, please.
All right.
Thank you. I don't want to be videotaped. I don't know. Last time they kicked him out, he just stood outside. Are you staying for the evening?
He just told me I could get screened and I could come in.
If you're staying for the evening, we'll screen you and you can come in. Otherwise, you have to go back out.
All right, I'll stay for the evening.
Any cough?
No.
Any travel outside the United States?
No.
And any exposure to anyone known or suspected to have COVID-19? You can take Alicia's Scott and now we do have a little bit of a new screening process. All right. Do you have a scan card?
No, I don't.
Well, I can see those people in the yellow vests.
Okay.
There you go.
All right, thank you very much.
You have to stay back here, sir.
She just told me to,
Yeah, you can't go there.
she just told me to go over
You
here.
can't go there. When police are coming in, you cannot go back there.
She just told me to go over here to get your scan card.
I just told you you can't go
I
back
told her I'm going to stay in that.
Yeah, you can stay right here. He doesn't have a scan card. Right.
But she just told me to come over here to get a scan card.
Let the police officer in, please. There is nobody here to do scan cards.
You cannot do that in here today. You're not allowed to do that today. Please go out. Because they don't want it in the public. They don't want you. So it's their right choice to not to be record the face. So please go outside.
Sir,
How you doing?
come out here with me, sir.
Come on. Don't touch me. I'll go. Don't get your hands off me.
Go.
I'm going. Just get your freaking hands off me.
Let's go.
What's the issue? I got a 60 book.
The issue, I came in here and
60 book.
I don't have one. I can get a hold of patrol to get one.
and
Okay.
Is this been a regular?
they asked
This is the first day he's got, and he's been out here a lot.
Okay.
they asked
Hey, have a seat for me right there, real quick. Okay. Have a seat for me right there.
why am I detained?
Hey, can you watch him? I'm looking.
Am I detained?
Yes, you're being detained. Sit down. You're being detained. Sit down.
I'm not sitting down.
You know what I said? Yeah, that's.
Sir, can you take your wristband off, please?
Why?
Because they just want it back.
Because that's their property, not yours.
It's on my person.
Sir, will you please take the wristband off?
Let's be simple, okay? We don't need to make hard things harder, okay?
Olson? Badge number?
3308, it's on there.
Thank you.
Hey, but can you just
I
take
came-
it off
I
and
came in
get
here.
that to be done? Okay?
I came in here and I asked them. And they told me if I wanted to come in, I had to get in line over here. You got
Do you
this?
know what this is for?
Yes.
What's it for?
And they asked me if I was going to stay the night. I said yes. They asked me if I had a scan card. I said no. They said go get in line over here and get a scan card.
Okay. Are you homeless?
I ain't got to answer that.
Okay, this is for people that have nowhere else to stay. So you want to take a spot from somebody that has nowhere else to stay? Just so you can video because you think something nefarious is going on here?
If there isn't, why don't you let us know?
This is an overflow shelter, man. That's all it is. There's no conspiracy going on. Nobody's being forced to stay here.
Sit and show us. Because they're trying to keep people away from other people, so we don't need more people.
I got it.
Okay?
Did they find some scissors?
Yeah, I have.
Am I still detained?
We're just gonna cut the.
Yes, you're still being
wristband off.
detained.
That gives you permission to go in, and they don't let you come in. Okay? Just let him cut it off. Here, don't
Sir.
make it hard. Okay, come on. Let's just get it off.
Let go of me.
He's gonna cut your wristband off. You
Let
don't
go.
wanna get cut,
This is
okay?
not your property.
Thank you. All right, now you're free to
Thank
go.
you.
Okay. All right.
Free to go, free to stay.
Do you want him to go?
He's still on the Tarrant County
Yeah.
property.
So you gotta go.
You can go to the sidewalk.
You can go to the sidewalk.
This is public property.
Not right now, it's not. This is being released by somebody other than the public.
So this is tyrant property.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah,
Be careful.
yeah.
You guys go off on the other side of
On the sidewalk, but not right here.
other side of the barricade. Or one of those.
Did you fill from the sidewalk?
Those things.
No, they go to the sidewalk.
Well then,
Why are you touching me? Don't touch me.
Let's go.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
let's go.
Don't touch me.
Right now, nobody has
Why are you
time.
touching
I
me?
can't touch you. Right now,
Why are you touching me? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Then take your 6 feet.
Get your hands off of me.
Well, then keep going.
Golly.
All right.
Don't touch me.
Everybody's got more important things to worry about right
Go
now.
away.
Then
Dismiss.
Keep
Dismiss.
going.
Dismiss.
Okay, thank you.
Dismiss.
Keep going, he said, to the sidewalk. All the way, okay? Keep going.
Don't touch me.
All right, well, then keep
Don't
going.
touch me.
Keep
How do I
going.
know where you're
It's like a sidewalk to me, man. That's a sidewalk right there.
Don't touch him.
Keep going off their
Don't
property.
touch him.
Keep going off their property.
Don't touch him.
Come on, you almost made it. Keep
Don't-
going
don't
off their
touch him.
property to the
We're touching
sidewalk over
him.
here. Come on.
This is a sidewalk, is it not? Is this a sidewalk?
That's all right, but you guys are the representatives.
You said move to the sidewalk. This is a
No,
sidewalk.
sir, it's not. The sidewalk's out here. I have a gentleman wants to tell you something.
They're operating this like a concentration camp.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think you have any idea what
My agency, we're leasing this space, and I'm asking you not to be on our property. Well, during the duration.
All I want to do was show the good work y'all was doing.
you have a weird way to do it, okay?
What? By coming in and trying to get my badge and stuff to get in there?
Okay, you have been trespassed from this property. If you come back on this property, you're subject to arrest. Do you understand what I'm saying? You're being trespassed.
Why am I being trespassed? You have to ask me to leave, and you know guys never do this. I'm not being trespassed.
Have a good day.
Yeah, that just explains to me something is nefarious going on. Y'all are tyrants!
Oh, yeah.
Tyrants!
Well, YouTube, I hope you like this video. And please remember and go over and check out the American Auditor's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.